guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about the Crane Cool Mist Humidifier. I actually got it as a Christmas gift. I was super excited when I found out that I had it. Thank you so much. You know who you are. I appreciate it. So I'm just going to just take it out. This is my first time having a humidifier. I'm just kind of just take it out. And it has different instructions and all that good stuff inside of it, so you can read that too. And one thing I like about this is it's not super big, because I didn't want nothing super big. You know, a lot of the humidifiers can be big. I'm just taking that right there. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this. And I love the blue look. It's really, really pretty. And like I said, you guys, this is going to be my first humidifier. I have had a, I forgot what you call it. Oh my God, I can't believe my mind went blank. But I never had a humidifier. So it has a little holder right here, so you can be able to take it off. And this goes on here. With this on here. And it has like a little 360. You can move it around the different areas that you want, you know, where the steam come out, so you don't have to have one spot. That's a good thing. It's a 360 movable one. You just put that on top. And then it says soothing vapor pads. I need to read this because I'm not for sure. It says vapor tray. I would want to read that a little more, you guys, before you put the vapor, because I know you got to make sure you do it right. I made a mistake and put some essential oils in my hair steamer and messed it up, so don't put no essential oils at all inside of this. But I will read that and see what that has to offer. And we'll take this off for now. And let's just read this real quick, because I do want to see, it's a empty basin daily. So you want to most definitely empty it. It's a vapor tray, no water in here. I'm thinking what that goes is this actual, I will open this up and put it inside of here. But I'm about to check it out and make sure. Hold on. And here this is. And again, like I said, you guys, I got this as a Christmas gift, but you probably can just Google it. Again, it is the Crane Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier, 0.5 gallon. Okay. And I will include it in one of my, try to see if I can get an Amazon link in my Amazon store. And you guys, I do have an Amazon store now, because I always tell you guys about everything. And everybody be like, where you get it from? Where you get it from? So now you guys, I already showed you the link. Go in my Amazon store and you can be able to scroll through all the different little things that I have. But let me figure about this soothing pad. Okay guys, so I just read the vapor pad. So basically what they're saying is, remember I told you guys you cannot put essential oils in here? That's not correct. I guess the new one you can, because it's got a vapor tray. If yours have a vapor tray, you can. You can either put a little bit of essential oil here, or you can use this soothing vapor pad. So let's go ahead and make sure they said you want to put the vapor pad on before you add the water. So make sure you put, again, the essential oil or whatever you use the pad before. I don't know if you can purchase these online. I'm gonna check to see. So you just kind of put that just like that. And again, if you had essential oil, you just put it inside there. Do not do what I told Lord I did. I had a hair steamer and I put it inside where the water tray was and it cracked it. So don't do that. Don't do that at all. Okay, so now, and I can smell it too. It smells really, really good. Peppermint smell. Especially like if you're clogged up or anything like that, you guys, I'm telling you, try that. I'm gonna find out if they sell the vapor pads, because I want to be able to purchase another one. So let me go ahead. It says fill it up with water. You're just gonna take this right here off. Go ahead and fill it up with water, and just kind of read and see what it say. Empty water daily, and it say once you put the water in, don't move it. Clean tank with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1/2 gallon of water. So that's how you can clean the actual this basin. Okay, so let me go ahead and add the water. And I'll be back. And one thing, guys, I want to tell you real quick. make sure you figure out how to put this on before you have the water in, y'all. Because I was trying to figure out how did I put this on. But you'll see the buttons and all that good stuff. You'll see crank, and then you just put it on just like that. Because I'm telling you guys, once you get it off, it might be hard. So just do exactly what I said and you'll be good. Like, and don't forget to add your water right there. And then you're gonna flip it, and then you're gonna put it inside of here, and then put this on top, okay? And guys, again, the water goes in here. Don't put it in here, the water goes in here. Once you put it in there, before you flip it, turn it, and then you flip it and put it on your actual unit. Okay, and it's saying make sure you lay it on something that's really even, and you don't want to come in and just mess around and fall. So make sure it's something sturdy also. Don't just leave it unattended first. See how it do for a couple hours and then go from there. It say you can go for 24 hours. This actual vapor pad, when I say I love the smell of it, it opens up your pores, okay? Okay, so let's add some water to that reservoir. It don't say how far, so I'm just gonna go all the way up. I don't say how far to go with the water. There we go. And then you just put this on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, so now we're finna go put it on. And remember what I told you, find that crank and then just kind of flip it. Because you know, you're gonna forget how to do it. So there you go. Flip it. See, find that crank. Okay. So there we go. Let's fix it. I hope I use enough water because I filled it up pretty good, but not 100. Let's make sure it don't say filled up. Because sometimes like you don't have to fill it up all the way up. If you are sick and you need some to open up your chest, I'm telling you, humidifier is the best. And I can't even think of, I'm gonna include a vaporizer. A vaporizer is good, so I'm gonna include my vaporizer video too that I do. So just again, like I said, you guys just read this, see what it say about the water and all that. Let's just go ahead and get it started. Put this on and we're finna get it started. Go ahead and plug it up into the wall. Okay, so I plugged it up. Let's go ahead and press high. And I love how it's got the green lights on it, so you know, dang, look, like instantly. This thing is coming out, y'all, instantly. Like and you can smell the vapors. When I say I love this, if you are sick or if you just need your air to be more, not so dry, because sometimes the air can be dry, try this. Okay, little scoops. Remember they said don't move it, don't do what I just did. And maybe that's why the light went off, I don't know, but let's go see how medium is. Can you see? Let me see. Okay, hopefully you can see. Okay. So there we go. Okay, so and let's go to high. Oh, I love it, y'all. When I say I love it. So if you are thinking about purchasing one of these, you have to, so that's off. Hold on. That's low. That's medium. And that's high. And like I said, if you put your essential oils and stuff, put it before you do all this. And you also can put the, it's called a Crank Soothing Vapor Pad. You probably can find this again on Amazon. Let me see if I can find this. But you want both of them because it smells so good, or essential oil. Or you can just do it by yourself. But to me, once you get that vapor, it's just beautiful. Okay, guys, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Be blessed. Bye, guys.